The Philippines' history is diversely influenced by different countries such as China, Spain, the United States of America, and Japan.
Tandaan mo pa ba nung tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman. Doon tayo
Philippines is the fourth largest Christian and third largest Catholic country in the world. It is also one of the two predominant Catholic nations in Asia, the other being East Timor. Here you will see the painting of Carlos V. Francisco, the first Mass in Limasawa. The first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was on Easter Sunday on the 31st of March 1521, officiated by Padre Pedro Valderrama.
pasigan, malayang tulad ng mga
Here, you will see at the left is the chair that Pope Francis used in his visit at UST on January 18, 2015 on World Youth Day. And in the right is the chair that Saint Pope John Paul II used on the World Youth Day. What I can say about the Filipinos is that, despite of all the challenges in life, I can still see the hope in their eyes, the love in their hearts, and the faith in their prayers.
pagkakataon ay babalik pa ang kahapon.
Here, you will see the violin and kutet or guitar from the Mangyan and Subanen ethnic group. This painting is named Harvest Festival by Puruganan Ricarte. This painting is called Bayanihan by Amorsolo Fernando Cueto. And what you can see here is the first printing press in the Philippines.
Saan hahanapin ba? Lumilipas ang panahon.
Language is one thing us Filipinos take pride on. Here you will see the oldest writing or form of writing in Philippines, which is baybayin. Dr. Jose Rizal used the power of language in order to spark the flame inside the hearts of the Filipino people against the Spaniards.
Babalik ba ang kahapon?
These spears, armors, and swords witnessed blood and life running out from a person. Let us not waste our heroes' efforts. Love your country and your countrymen. A simple act of kindness might be a big help to others. Be a hero in your own simple ways.